Honey, I'm going for a 3-hour drive! Hey, so it's been a while since I've done one of these. I'm going to do something dumb. And this time I brought a partner in crime.
Hi!
I won't tell you what it is till we get there. Bit of a surprise to myself. A little unexpected, but you know when a deal pops up. As per usual, sit down, grab something to drink, and watch the adventure unfold. Alright, so quick stop to pick up my father, and this is the kind of weather we have. It wasn't supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be easy, quick. Snow, rain.
We're flying up the ceiling when we in our zone. I got sunshine in my pocket, that gets so in my feet.
So, how was that first drive?
Not bad. It's lower than I remember them being. I've had 2. This is my 3rd one now. But there's been a great deal of time in between the 3. It's awkward getting used to where everything is in the dark. The interior bulbs have to go to LEDs. They have to. It's not bright enough in there.
First fill up. For a fill up.
It's weird. It's, I don't know how to put it. I mean, I guess because I kind of knew what to expect this time around, but it is still hot because it's been so long. It's like meeting an ex-girlfriend while you're single and you want to be with her, but things have changed and it's not the same. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, I guess we'll find out.
Alright, so first impressions, driving the vehicle again?
It's weird.
Weird?
Definitely not used to it. Oops.
We chose a nice snowy night to do this on.
Right?
That's good, because you know, we live close by.
Who doesn't like a challenge? Gotta pick a lane, huh?
Well, yeah, usually helps if you choose just one. Feeling like you're 20 again?
Definitely not.
Good purchase?
Yes and no. Well, I guess there's no no. It just, I guess I'm not over the moon because it's not clean, and I am a very clean person. So this thing definitely, oh shoot, which way did we came straight down this way? I don't remember now.
Yeah, I think we went straight.
Yeah, I don't think we turned.
No, we did?
Yeah, maybe when it's clean and, you know, that kind of stuff, then I'll be in love. Right now, I'm just like, yeah.
Does it actually need oil?
And like how I complain about people sitting too close to the steering wheel, that's exactly what I'm doing right now.
Why?
I just need to learn how to adjust myself in this car. because right now my legs are just reaching, but my chest is way too close to the steering wheel. A little pause for the cause, right? Decided to bring along the posse. We were hoping, or I was hoping, that we would be on the road or almost home before or around sundown, but things didn't work out that way, so looks like we'll be doing the majority of the drive, no, all of the drive in the dark on roads we don't know, back roads. C'est la vie.
Are you done yet? I'm getting cold waiting in my warm car.
Let's go. Might as well. That tire's a little soft. Might as well, we're here. Make the ride as easy as possible. I thought that the shocks are finished, and they may be finished, but this tire is a little low. So let's get it up to snuff, and hopefully that stops the little bit of dancing with the heavy winds. It's a light car, everything will blow it away. Look, see it move? Try to stay warm. Is home. Time to get to home. It's a nice silhouette. If that's all that can be said for it. We stopped to fix the wiper blades on this one. And of course you saw the oil change, or the oil check on this a little while back. Anyway, let's get home. I don't want to be out here any longer.